So here I am with another one of my patented terrible reviews of something. The Triple Dashcam Full HD for sharp and clean video. Well, it does the inside of the vehicle. We're taking the front view of the vehicle, and it has a camera to put up the back of the vehicle. And all of this is a wire to string through. Don't know if I'll do that, but it probably would be a good idea to have a camera in the back. But yeah, bought this, I don't know, probably a month ago, and I'm finally looking at it. So I wanted to see what it was like. I'm gonna take that off. I took the front one off, took this one off. Okay. Now I do have to put in, I have a 32 gigabyte from Gigastone. First I gotta get this open. So there, I got the 32 gigabyte out. And do I put it in this? That didn't feel right. That feels even worse. So I guess it is this way. Come on, click in. There we go. We got her in. So now that we got our save device in there, maybe we should start it. This is the power button. So this thing is actually going to hang like that. So yes, power button. There we go. Hey, you got my face. It's catching my face in the little screen. Somewhat. And the camera. Cool. So, let me plug in the optional camera to see what that will do. So I don't know how to work this right. Pretty cool. There's a camera facing the car and the one that's facing out. That's pretty neat. I don't know what that did. Is that a light or something? I don't know. It just seems funny that it's... Is there a light shining there? I don't know. It just seems strange. I turned it off and it's... I didn't see no light come on. That's just weird. Okay. M. M should mean... Yes. And let us see here. Down. I think I already set all these up. And I have to format. So let's format the okay. Format the TF card. Oh. Yes, please wait. So it's formatted. So there we go. Let us get out of here. This one? No. That one, turn it off. No, that one turned it off. Turn it back on. There's my lovely face again in the little screen. So, it's recording right now, I believe. Does this make it save the recording? I don't know. Maybe I should read the instructions quickly. Yeah, that's what I should do. So after a bit of testing and looking at this thing, there's only one camera recording, and it is the camera facing me. It's not even the camera that's facing to the road where I want it to be. And it barely catches any sound. This thing is not nearly as good as I thought it was. Maybe I can figure it out, but I got a bad feeling about this, that this thing ain't working. And I can get it to record, but it'll just record my little face here in this camera doing this. And I'll show you that in a second. Like, why? And then I'll turn her off. And then I'll bring her up. So there we go. So there you go. It only records that little camera. It's not even recording the, it's brutal. It won't record the camera I need it to record, so maybe I'm looking at taking apart this and seeing how it's built. Whoa, almost dropped it on the ground. Wouldn't want that to happen. But yeah, this is not going to serve my purpose in any way. So it's a few days later, and I've actually learned how to work this Triple Dashcam from Amazon, and I have actually learned how to work it. So let's get it taping here. Oops, I'm covering it up. Here, let's just get her taping here for a little bit. So she is recording right now, and I've learned how to use it. You can see my camera there in this little screen here, filming this. That's neat. And behind it is my face. But there we go. Yeah, it took a little while for me to figure out that it tapes on like 3 channels, because there's this camera, the front camera, and the back camera. I don't have the back camera plugged in right now, so I'm not showing that. But the inside the car camera is right here. And yes, the front camera that films is 1080. And I wish it was more like 4K, but it's not. And I am going to stop this recording. So it just recorded. And first I'm going to hit, it's the M button, to bring me to filming. And you can move these over. So here's the first one. I'll hit OK. This one will be, that is the front facing camera, and it records just fine. As you see here, it is going. And I'll just stop that. Move over to the let's see here. Move to, that's front, that's the back camera that faces inside the vehicle. So you got to use these little arrows down here to move from what perspective when you're looking at the recordings to see what was recorded. So here, I'll look at that, and you can see, yes, that was the camera on this side. So yes, this thing actually does work. So wow, I had refilmed this since I did this a few days later and finally learned how to work it. And for some reason I did not figure that out, because the instructions did not say anything about that. So I was just fooling around and got it working. You can see in that shot there is my beautiful Google Pixel 8a that I use for a lot of my filming. And no, I'm not using my microphone yet for my microphone came in for this camera or phone, so I'm going to be able to do some testing on that, and hopefully I can bring you a video on that very soon. But you see, that did all that filming, and yeah, it wow, it works. And when you hit M while you're in the replay mode, you can go and delete all. So I'm going to delete these. And successful operation. They are all deleted, and you hit M again, no video, and you bring it back to where you can record. So in turn, this did work out. I am shocked. I am shocked. The only thing is, though, it still does not record good sound, but who cares? We just want the video anyways as evidence if someone hits you, or if, I don't know, you have a crash. So, thanks for watching. I did turn out this camera does work just fine in the way it's supposed to, but the instructions were slightly off on how to use it. So, I'm not going to return you to where I was in the other one that I had to cut the last part out of that video, because this is replacing that since I did learn how to use it. I am actually happy this will work, and I'm going to put it in a vehicle. If it works out fine, I'll just buy another one. They're really cheap. They're like 40 bucks. And if they work, right? And I got my SD card in there, and yes, you can plug this in and download stuff to your computer. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And this little machine kind of now, well, camera, makes me kind of happy.